why'd you come by?
I've been to dry land.
Oh, dry land's a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The drinking and the smokers are up.
Smokers in the distance! Battle stations! Back! Sound the alarm. Hey, get the boat. Let's go! Here they come! Smokers inside! Let's go! Helen, on that second cabin!
I'm on it.
Good girl! Look out! Whoa, 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 whoa!
He's opening the gate!
Take him out! Hey, man, lock it down! Hey! Too late! Smokers!
He doesn't have a kind. Let's fillet the flounder. Boom! We have a runner. Let's go. Mariner, come on. Just you and me. Man against fish. Come and get it. What is wrong with this weapon? Shut up. Cousin Duck. Sorry, cousin. I need something with a little more kick. Ask, and ye shall receive. Hey, Mariner, I've got my big Bertha. Boom! Right into the water hazard. Now do us a favor. You stand in one spot. Using Chuck as a shield? I never liked Chuck. Yes! Winner! I'll get my seaplane. Hey! Bring it in, boys! No, you won't! You're not going anywhere, Helen. Not with a hole in your boat.
Stop.
Hey! No! You leave me hidden with my seaplane! You'll ruin everything! No. No, no. Oh! my seaplane! It doesn't matter, I've got your woman. I've killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on!
No!
Yes! I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation! Dry land is my destiny!
Hey! Deacon!
Hey, what? No. Helen, I'll get you! And you, I'll get you, Mariner!
Okay, open the nest. That's no place to go. We're not gonna go. I know.
And so the Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass.